Welcome. Today, we're diving into a revolution that's quietly transforming how we think about money, payments, and the global economy. Imagine a world where your dollars aren't just paper bills or numbers in a bank account, but digital tokens you can send anywhere, anytime, with just a few taps on your phone. Today, we're exploring stablecoins, digital dollars you can send online as easily as an email. These aren't just another form of cryptocurrency. They're designed to be simple, stable, and accessible to everyone, everywhere. Unlike volatile cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which can swing wildly in value from day to day, stablecoins are pegged to real-world assets, most commonly the US dollar. This means one stablecoin is always worth about $1, providing a sense of security and predictability that's missing from many digital assets. This stability bridges the gap between traditional finance and the digital world, making global transactions not only faster and cheaper, but also more reliable. Whether you're sending money to family overseas or paying for services online, stablecoins make the process seamless. Imagine sending money overseas instantly, with no waiting days for banks to process your transfer, or paying for your morning coffee with a digital dollar. No banks, no delays, and no hidden fees. The convenience is unmatched. Stablecoins cut out intermediaries, making payments direct, efficient, and often much cheaper. By removing the middlemen, transactions become more transparent and accessible to people who might not even have a traditional bank account. They promise to upgrade the financial system, making money more accessible worldwide. For billions of people who are underserved by banks, stablecoins could be a game changer, opening doors to new opportunities and financial freedom. That's why there's so much excitement and investment in this space. Tech companies, financial giants, and even governments are racing to shape the future of digital money, each hoping to set the standard for the next generation of currency. The race is on to create the digital dollar everyone will use, a new kind of money that's as easy to use as cash, but as powerful as the internet itself. Two major players have stepped into the spotlight, each with a unique approach to building the future of digital dollars. In the next chapter, let's meet them and see how their visions could shape the way we all use money. Transition to next scene. Meet USD1 and RLUSD, the two stablecoins at the center of today's digital dollar race. USD1, from World Liberty Financial, is backed by high-profile connections, including the Trump family, and aims to be a compliant, powerful alternative in the market. RLUSD is Ripple's entry, leveraging years of experience and deep ties with banks worldwide. USD1 is the bold newcomer, using political connections and aggressive marketing to make waves. RLUSD is the established veteran, built on regulatory compliance and trust. These coins represent two very different visions for the future of money. It's the disruptor versus the institution. The stage is set for a fascinating showdown. The rivalry between two of the most talked about stablecoins reached a fever pitch when it exploded onto mainstream media. Suddenly, the world was watching as the battle for digital dollar dominance took center stage. The stakes were high, and the players were ready to make their case in front of millions. The spotlight intensified when Eric Trump, son of former President Donald Trump, and USD1's co-founder, Zach Witkoff, appeared together on Fox News. Their joint appearance wasn't just another business interview. It was a signal that the stablecoin wars had entered the public arena, with political and financial heavyweights now involved. Witkoff didn't hold back. He boldly declared that USD1 was already outperforming Ripple's stablecoin, painting the competition as a no-holds-barred fight for supremacy in the rapidly evolving world of digital finance. His confidence set the tone for what would become a heated and closely watched rivalry. Eric Trump's involvement brought instant credibility and a wave of attention. By tying USD1 to the Trump family name, the project gained a powerful boost in visibility, instantly capturing the interest of both crypto enthusiasts and political observers. The Trump connection made USD1 more than just another digital currency. It became a symbol of American ambition and influence. USD1 was carefully positioned as a patriotic America-first digital dollar. Its branding and messaging appealed directly to those who valued national pride and economic independence, setting it apart from competitors and resonating with a specific, passionate audience. During the interview, Witkoff highlighted USD1's impressive statistics: a $2.2 billion market cap and $500 million in daily trading volume. These numbers weren't just impressive, They were a clear challenge to Ripple and a call for the industry to take notice of USD1's rapid rise. The Fox News segment quickly became a hot topic, sparking debate across financial newsrooms, social media, and crypto forums. Analysts and journalists dissected every word, while investors and the public weighed in on which project would ultimately come out on top. For many viewers, this was their first real introduction to USD1. The Trump connection fueled both curiosity and controversy, drawing in people who might never have paid attention to stablecoins before. Suddenly, the conversation wasn't just about technology. It was about politics, identity, and the future of money. Ripple, long considered a leader in the space, now faced a high-profile challenger with serious momentum. The company's executives and supporters realized they could no longer ignore USD1's rapid ascent and the powerful forces backing it. With the world watching and the stakes higher than ever, the stablecoin battle was officially on, a showdown that promised to reshape the future of digital finance. USD1 runs on Ethereum and Binance Chain, using Chainlink's proof of reserves for transparency and BitGo for custody. Its political ties bring both attention and skepticism, especially regarding governance and regulatory neutrality. The project's governance token and rapid growth have raised questions about long-term stability. USD1 focuses on crypto exchange listings and DeFi partnerships, offering loyalty rewards to attract users. While trading volumes are high, institutional partnerships are lacking. USD1's future hinges on whether its grassroots momentum can translate into lasting trust and adoption. RLUSD takes a different path, rooted in regulation and institutional trust. Ripple is regulated by the NYDFs and designed for compliance with US and European laws. RLUSD's reserves are held by BNY Mellon, a global banking giant, providing unmatched assurance. This institutional-grade approach appeals to banks and corporations seeking reliability. RLUSD has earned high ratings for transparency and custody. Ripple's strategy is to integrate with the existing financial system, not replace it. RLUSD may lack flashy marketing, but it's building a foundation for long-term global adoption. Trust and compliance are its core strengths. Real-world adoption is the true test for stablecoins. USD1 is popular among crypto traders and DeFi users, but lacks major partnerships with traditional banks or corporations. Its growth is grassroots, driven by the crypto community. Ripple, meanwhile, has spent years building relationships with over 100 banks and financial institutions. Bank of America and Western Union's acquisition of Intermex, already using Ripple's tech, hint at RLUSD's potential for massive global adoption. Ripple's established network gives RLUSD a head start with big business. The battle is between crypto-native momentum and institutional integration. The winner could become the backbone of global payments. The crypto world is undergoing a dramatic transformation. What was once the playground of retail investors and tech enthusiasts is now attracting the attention of institutional giants, major banks, global payment networks, and powerful asset managers. These are the organizations that move trillions of dollars every day, and their entry into crypto signals a new era for digital assets. Wall Street's involvement brings more than just money. It brings legitimacy, stability, and a level of trust that can help accelerate mainstream adoption. With their deep pockets and established reputations, these institutions can help smooth out the volatility that has long defined the crypto market, making it more attractive to everyday people and businesses alike. New laws like the FIT21 Act are paving the way for a regulated, institution-friendly environment. These regulations are designed to make stablecoins safer and more transparent, giving both companies and consumers greater confidence in using digital dollars. This legal clarity is crucial for unlocking the next wave of innovation in finance. RLUSD is built for this new era. It's engineered to meet the strict compliance and security standards that big corporations demand, while still offering the speed and efficiency that make digital currencies so appealing. For large companies, this means they can finally tap into the benefits of crypto without sacrificing safety or regulatory compliance. The competition between USD1 and RLUSD isn't just about technology. It's about who will become the trusted bridge for this tidal wave of institutional capital. The winner will help define how trillions of dollars flow through the global financial system, shaping the future of money itself. For everyday users, these changes mean more than just headlines. They promise faster, cheaper payments, new ways to save and invest, and access to innovative financial products that were once reserved for the wealthy or well-connected. The benefits of this institutional shift will ripple out to touch nearly everyone. Imagine a world where Visa and MasterCard seamlessly integrate stablecoins, allowing digital dollars to power your daily transactions. Whether you're shopping online, paying bills, or sending money to friends and family, this isn't a distant future. It's quickly becoming reality. The institutional wave is transforming the financial system for everyone, making it more inclusive, efficient, and ready for the digital age. Experts see stablecoins as a gateway to broader digital asset adoption, possibly even ETFs for assets like XRP. Ripple's strong, passionate community could drive mainstream demand if an XRP ETF emerges. Trust, regulation, and real-world utility are the keys to long-term success. Some worry that projects relying on hype and political connections may lack substance. Most agree the future will feature multiple stablecoins, each serving different markets. USD1 may thrive in DeFi, while RLUSD could become the standard for banks and corporations. The winners will be those that deliver trust, compliance, and real-world value. The USD1 versus RLUSD rivalry reflects the bigger transformation in finance. Watch for real-world partnerships. Major banks or payment companies choosing a stablecoin will be a game changer. Regulatory clarity will separate long-term players from short-term hype. Institutional moves like a potential XRP ETF could reshape the landscape. Ultimately, the winning stablecoin will be the one that's easiest and cheapest for everyone to use. As technology fades into the background, digital dollars could become as simple as cash. The project that achieves this will truly change the world. The future of money is being written right now.